Hello everybody, so today in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the contents of this box right here. Now this is my first ever order from the Match-Worn Jerseys, I think the website's called. But yeah, if you know me, I collect game-worn jerseys. Usually it is exclusively the ice hockey jerseys that I collect, mostly of my team, the Sheffield Steelers. Last season I didn't buy any though. I bought no game-worn jerseys whatsoever. Instead I bought this one. This is a jersey from the Soccer Aid game. All the proceeds from this went to charity, so I didn't mind buying it as much because instead of lining the pockets of hockey teams, I'm, doing something to charity. And yeah, it's not a jersey that I ever expected to own, but I'm very happy to own it anyway. So this jersey belongs to an actor that I really rather like. Very, very good actor. And yeah, I'll just get into opening it, I guess, because it got delivered today and I need cheering up. So let me try and get into this. Oh my word, this is a hard thing to open. Okay, we got that open. Okay, is this going to have my address on it anywhere? I don't know. Ooh, so it comes inside another box. That's it, matchwornshirt.com. So this presentation is really nice. Comes in a nice box. It's got a little magnetic tab here. But yeah, let's get it open and have a look. Let me make sure there's no... I don't think that's got my address or anything on it, but let's open it together. So, up here it says the fabric of the game. And it's got this paper that says the fabric of the game Match-Worn shirt. And here we go. So it says, congratulations, you are now the exclusive owner of a unique and irreplaceable Match-Worn shirt product. Your product embodies all the drama and intensity of a specific moment in sporting history. This moment belongs to you. Treasure it forever. So that's pretty cool. I like this. It's like a see-through kind of paper with gold lettering. That's kind of cool. I'm assuming this is going to be my future of authentication. What's this? Okay, that's pretty cool. Digital certificate that 100% guarantees your shirt's authenticity. So that's pretty cool. So I'm assuming there's like a number on this way you can register it to, make sure that it is 100% authentic. So, yes, here it is. So, as you can see, it's from the World team, but it says England versus Soccer Aid World, 9th of the 6th, 2014. It's 2024, Stamford Bridge. And I love these jerseys so much. It's a size UK medium. And UNICEF, ITV. It's got a little bit of damage on here, but just goes to show that it's game worn for all of 15 minutes, but it was game worn. This jersey is actually like really, really good quality. And let's have a look at it. It hasn't been washed. You would think that it would be washed. I can smell it. Okay, that's an interesting choice. But anyway, yes, so it is the jersey of Emmett Scanlan. Probably most famous for being in Hollyoaks, but I like him in stuff like Kin, Fool Me Once, all that stuff. So, yeah, it's his jersey from the game. And it is signed on the bottom there, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I love the pink on these. It's so cool. I love it. Let's put this in. I don't know what this is. But yeah, I'm going to hang this up so you can have a look at it better.